Are you ready to turn small machines into big profits? In this video, I'll show you 15 mini manufacturing machines you can buy online right now to kickstart your business in 2024. Whether you're into food, packaging, or even cosmetics, there's something for everyone here. And the best part, these machines are affordable and scalable, making them perfect for aspiring entrepreneurs. Let's dive in. Imagine being able to print any image on cakes, pastries, or even gingerbread. With food printers, personalized desserts become a reality. Whether it's a custom birthday cake or corporate gifts, this printer does it all using edible ink. Starting at $2,000, this machine can turn any home kitchen into a sweet factory. Start your own small-scale bottling business with plastic bottle blowing machines for as little as $3,500. Perfect for bottling water, soft drinks, or oils. This machine lets you save on packaging costs and create custom bottles. Craving more dough-based opportunities? Specialized machines for dumplings, bao, or samosas are available for just $700. These mini marvels mold perfect portions every time, Mike, and with a shock freezer, you can preserve the quality for stores and restaurants. If you've ever dreamed of having your own tea brand, this is your chance. With a $5,000 investment, you can package unique tea blends, complete with dried fruits and herbs. Custom blends mean you're offering something truly exclusive to tea lovers. Picture this, your brand's tea, elegantly packaged, sitting on shelves or delivered straight to doorsteps. It's a tea lover's dream come true. As the world shifts towards sustainability, the demand for disposable paper tableware has skyrocketed. With machines starting at $4,000, you can create eco-friendly plates, cups, and cutlery for cafes, food trucks, and festivals. Helping the planet and making money? It's a win-win. Your business could be the go-to supplier for every event and festival around. Ever wondered how those perfectly shaped pizza boxes or cosmetics packaging are made? It's all thanks to die cutting and creasing machines. Starting at $3,500, you can jump into the packaging game by mass-producing boxes for various industries, from food to electronics. Turn waste into wealth. Cardboard perforation machines, starting at $1,000, transform old cardboard into eco-friendly packing material. Perfect for e-commerce businesses looking for sustainable shipping solutions. Reduce waste, create profit, and help businesses pack their goods with your eco-friendly materials. It's good for the environment and for your bank account. If you're into cosmetics or food, tube filling machines are a goldmine. Whether it's gourmet sauces, creams, or organic cosmetics, these machines allow you to package your products neatly into tubes. Starting at $3,000, this setup is a bit more expensive, but the returns can be massive. We all know the fast food industry is booming, but did you know you can create custom packaging for it with a small machine? For just $4,000, you can start a business producing eco-friendly packaging for burgers, sushi, noodles, and more. And here's the best part. There's an endless demand no matter where you are. Think about it. Every time someone grabs a burger, it could be in a package you created. For $4,000, you can start producing antifreeze, an essential for the automotive industry. Mix water, glycol, and additives to create your own brand of antifreeze that can be sold through gas stations or online. Cars aren't going anywhere, and neither is the need for antifreeze. Tap into this essential market and watch your profits grow. Have a unique idea for a spray product, whether it's air fresheners or custom paints? Aerosol can filling machines starting at $5,000 let you turn that idea into reality. Eco-friendly and organic products are in high demand, and lip balms are no exception. Starting at $5,000, specialized equipment can help you create all-natural lip balms with beeswax, essential oils, and vitamins. You could be the next big name in organic beauty. People love eco-conscious products, and your lip balms could be a staple in beauty routines. If you love honey, here's a sweet idea. By purchasing honey in bulk and packaging it into convenient sticks with machines starting at $2,000, you can target cafes, hotels, and airlines. Honey sticks are clean, portable, and popular with health-conscious customers. Precision is everything in business cards and custom invitations. With a digital card cutter priced at $1,000, you can create stunning cards for clients in no time. Think about it. Every unique card you cut is a first impression, and with your skills, it's bound to impress. Finally, who doesn't love chips? For just $3,000, you can set up a mini production line for potato chips, experimenting with flavors to create your own brand of delicious snacks. Everyone loves a good snack. With unique flavors, your chips could become the next big thing at every party and gathering. Which one of these business machines caught your eye? Let me know in the comments. If you're ready to start a side hustle or even a full-blown business, don't wait. These machines are all available online and could be the start of something big for you. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a money-making idea. This version adds clarity and flow to the text while maintaining proper punctuation.